This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Coolant renewal. Operate the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet safety catch and raise the bonnet. Firmly apply the handbrake and chock the rear wheels. Use a jack to raise the vehicle. Position axle stands, lower the vehicle onto the stands, then remove the jack. Note the locations of the under-tray retaining screws. Remove the engine under-tray screws, then lower the cover and remove it from underneath the vehicle. Position a drain container underneath the front of the vehicle. Open the drain tap in the radiator bottom hose and allow the coolant to drain into the container. Using a length of hose will help to direct the flow of coolant into the container. Once all the coolant has drained, close the drain tap and remove the hose. Then remove the drain container from under the vehicle. If not already removed earlier, remove the expansion tank filler cap and slowly fill the system with the coolant. Continue to fill the cooling system until bubbles stop appearing in the expansion tank. Help to bleed the air from the system by repeatedly squeezing the radiator bottom hose. When no more bubbles appear, top the coolant level up to the max level mark, then securely refit the cap to the expansion tank. Run the engine at a fast idle speed until the cooling fan cuts in. Wait for the fan to stop, then switch the engine off and allow the engine to cool. When the engine has cooled, check the coolant level, top up the level if necessary, and refit the expansion tank cap. Position the under tray in place, then refit the screws securely. Use a jack to raise the vehicle. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack. Then remove the chocks from the rear wheels. Close the bonnet securely.